Now, folks, we have trillions of cells in our bodies, okay? Each one of them have DNA in it. And DNA is doing a specific function in the cell that's fantastic. And I want you to describe it for the folks the best that you can here.
Well, DNA is special for two reasons. We're aware of its amazingly beautiful double helix structure. We see the double helix as almost an icon now in culture. We see it on news programs about criminal investigations. But the thing that people typically overlook about DNA is that it's chock full of information. In fact, information that's stored in a digital form. So it's very much like a software program in that you have very specific arrangements of chemicals along the spine of the DNA that function just like alphabetic characters in a written language or digital zeros and ones in a machine code. So it's information carrying capacity or information storage capacity that's really important. Now, the information in DNA ends up directing the construction of proteins and protein machines. When we were together in the last program, I used the analogy of what goes on at the Boeing plant up in Seattle where I live, where engineers will use digital information to direct the construction of mechanical parts. For example, an airplane wing where you place the rivets will all be controlled by machinery that's being directed by digital information that's flowing down the line. That's exactly what's going on inside the cell. You've got digital code directing the construction of mechanical parts. And that raises a huge question, which is where does all that information in the cell come from? We know where it comes from at Boeing. It's designed by engineers, but where does it come from inside the cell?
This has been an ATRI production.